Hey everybody, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So the bulls showing up yet again. They are strong. We closed up at the high of the day and we're just about 0.2% away from an all-time high. So our new support level to be watching is 228.31. The low of today, it's the lowest price we have seen in the past 4 days. We didn't fill this gap yet down to 228.10, but the fact that that hasn't even filled just is attributed to the strength of the bulls, which are on the verge of a bullish MACD cross and just a blink away from new all-time highs. QQQ hit a new all-time high again today. We've got the weekly chart holding up just fine. 3 days of trading and an extremely tight range on CBI or on SPY at this point. So we are watching for continuation and two resistance levels to be watching, 229.66 and 229.71. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, the bulls were in control after the first pullback to start the day, and once the 20-period 5-minute moving average became support, and then we started forming higher lows and higher highs, that's when the bulls really came into control. And it was also in reaction to oil. We've been watching the correlation to the financial sector, XLF, and the S&P 500 very closely since the election, and it's been a very close correlation. But that changed a bit today, where the XLF bulls were very weak and the bears were in control of XLF, but the bulls of the S&P 500 kind of separated from XLF due to oil. And if you look at the 5-minute time frame for oil, the inventory report came out and the bulls came out, and this 5-minute consolidation is pretty much the exact same on oil and the S&P 500 as we consolidated into the later morning and into the afternoon. Bulls showed back up again towards the end of the day, and we closed very strong. Now, at a point during consolidation today, everybody's saying, okay, lower highs and lower lows. Does this mean it's time to go bearish again? But all you have to do is just look at different time frames, and at that point in time, look at this very healthy consolidation. We had the break, we pulled back, we tested and held the 20-period hourly support, tested and held it again with a really strong close, and then we saw continuation to the upside and a new high of the day. So the 5-minute chart might look bearish with that lower high, little pullback, but you look at the hourly time frame, get a different perspective on things, and you say, okay, we bounced off the 100 and 200 period at the low of today, and now we're holding the 20 period on the back test. The bulls are remaining in control. That's normal, healthy consolidation. So the bulls are looking for a new all-time high heading into the end of this week. 2 more trading days to get it. We'll see if they're able to do so. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow.